regular viewers will know that I'm new to the lathe and I haven't had it very long. But I'm sure when I first got it I did check this and that it was in perfect alignment. The alignment itself, whilst it looks quite obvious in the video, when you're looking at it by eye, it's not that obvious at all. The video's zooming in about 10 times, and therefore it makes it a lot more obvious. So I'm using a Brad bit drill bit, and assuming that the point is central and that everything else is correct, but I can see that as I move this, it's wiggling, which makes me think that the brad point isn't in the centre. So I'm going to have to think of a different way of identifying the centre of the chuck. So I've moved to using a centre drill, and this now is consistently in the same place when I turn the chuck. So I think that is the centre, and I can aim for that when I'm adjusting it. Now my tailstock has designed into it some adjustments so that you can actually turn tapers, and you do that by altering the position of this top block with respect to the bottom block. And to do that you first have to unlock it, and then using this Allen screw here and one opposite it on the other side, this then can then be adjusted backwards and forwards. To see how far you've adjusted it, there's a little gauge here which might or might not be useful. Now because this is a little fiddly, I will make the adjustments off camera and we'll come back after I've adjusted it. So I think I now have this in the correct position. So this was quite easy to adjust, but it was a little fiddly. I would say it's probably not the best way of adjusting the tailstock, and it's not something that I want to be doing particularly regularly, but I do now think I have it bang on. Now this was only ever meant to be a short video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.